What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Zambia's finest Blissbilliondollar, and of course, today is day 9 of our trading challenge. Balance being 10,000 rands, and we are trying it. So far, we have made a total of 2,529.97 in 8 days. So it being the 9, so we're going to proceed from the 28th to the 29th of June. Let's see how much it made on this day. So on this day, it made about 754.14 runs, which is not bad, ladies and gentlemen, considering that I was in trading. It's a robot that's doing everything and it's hands-free. So making it a total of, from the 19th, let's calculate, from the 19th to the 29th, now we have a total of 2,917.08 runs. That's the total that we have. Anyway, follow me for more notifications on this challenge.